Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to solve SIM not allowed problem on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, first of all, just use the SIM ejection tool which comes with your smartphone in the box, or you can use any SIM ejection tool. Now just insert the SIM ejection tool in the SIM card tray hole at the side of your smartphone. Now from here, just take out the SIM card from the SIM tray, then insert it back in. Now just insert the SIM card tray back into your smartphone and check if this fixes your issue. Now if this did not fix your issue, just open the settings, then go to General Management, then go to Reset and select Reset Mobile Network Settings. Now just select Reset Settings and tap on Reset. Now as you can see, we have reset all the network settings on our smartphone. Now this will not delete any data on your smartphone. It will only reset all the network settings on your smartphone. After that, just go to your home screen and restart your smartphone. To do that, just open the quick panel and tap on the power icon and select Restart. Now as you can see, our smartphone has finished restarting. Now if this did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with your smartphone. Just take your smartphone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can solve SIM not allowed problem on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.